Hi, in this video, I will show you how I restored my 6th generation Ford Mustang purchased at a Copart auction. I will show you the entire repair process. I hope you enjoy it. In early 2023, I noticed this car, so I placed a bet of $2,150 and won it. Since I live in Ukraine, the car from the auction went to the port to be loaded into a container and was to be sent to Lithuania. 2 months of waiting and the car was in Ukraine, so I immediately went to pick it up at customs. Unloaded the car at home. Checked for oil in the engine and tried to start the engine.
Стоп, бенз, насос пішов. О, тут ще халявного багато, а там по баках чвертях, да? Двоє цих, галонах. Що? Робить!
Yes! Engine is working.
Глуши.
I am checking for defects in the spare parts that will need to be ordered. Tried on a new bumper. After that, I took the car to my friend's garage, as he is a mechanic and promised to help fix the car. While I was waiting for new parts, I decided to remove the airbags and send them in for restoration. Pull out the inner right wing. We repair damaged wiring. Small parts arrived. Body parts and radiators arrived. It's me. The car started to look like this. First exit around the garage. A pipe on the radiator burst. Second attempt to drive. We install headlights. I'm driving home in my Ford Mustang. Bought the back seat because it was stolen at auctions. New windshield. Here I was hit in the rear wing while I was parked. Restored the taillight. Car after painting. decided to tune the exhaust system before after first check engine. The problem was very simple. Replace the fuel pressure sensor and EVAP valve. This is where the car repair story ends. It was a very cool and emotional experience repairing this car. I hope you enjoyed it, and you will like and subscribe to the channel.